Recently, India won its first Earth Prize, and that too with the effort of the three 16-year-old youngsters named Vivan, Ariana, and Avyana. The Earth Prize is the world's largest environmental sustainability competition, empowering students aged between 13 to 19 years with a mentorship and around $1 lakh funding to develop solutions to global climate and ecological issues. The very first award that was presented under it was in 2022, and it is a flagship initiative of the Switzerland-based Earth Foundation, which has now been expanded to almost all the countries. So the three of the youngsters basically made a project named Plastic. It is an interesting project developed with the most iconic, Indian kitchen product named Tarmint. It all started with a school project wherein the three had visited a village for some research project, and there they noticed a child of around 10 years of age drinking water from a plastic bottle. Here is when they observed how the water quality can actually impact. So we all know that water condition in India is one of the most fragile or one of the most serious condition in India, and especially in rural India. So the three of them during the research observed the binding properties of tarramin seeds. So from there they tried to make biodegradable tarramin seed powder, that too from the waste tarramin seeds. Then they had put that tarramin powder into water, and there they saw that the tarramin seeds actually, the clumps, the microplastic particles that can be actually removed with the help of a magnet, that too with the hand. So these microplastic particles are actually too small that they are not filtered out in the normal purification process that is being followed for water purification. So the crumbs actually obtained thereafter is actually used to make useful products like tiles or posters, so that the byproduct, that is the clumps, that is microplastic, does not go back into the nature. The three have been awarded with the funds of around $12,500 for the development of the project on a higher scale and to actually solve the problem existing in the country.